Can AI select the perfect CV? Let's find out in this demo. Here I have multiple CVs related to AI and data science jobs, and I will enter my requirements such as we are seeking an AI engineer with expertise in go-to-market and marketing strategy and so on and so forth. I will hit go, and can AI give me the CV which matches this job requirement? But before I hit go, let me tell you on why this is a game changer compared to traditional approaches. In a traditional approach, all the CVs are scanned by HR, who then sends a list of potential candidates to a recruiting manager. The recruiting manager will then make again a selection to finalize the final list of candidates. Now, this traditional process involves a lot of manual work and is a long process. Now, let us see on why AI is a game changer. The CV speaks the language of skills, and large language models can interpret this language in a very easy way. The recruiting manager can directly use generative AI to find the perfect CV, and this process is less manual and is fast. Now let us see the architecture. The CVs can be processed by large language models such as OpenAI to convert them into a numeric representation, also called as embedding. And then for a given requirement, the OpenAI, which also converts it into a numeric representation. We can then calculate the numeric distances between the CV and the requirement, and the perfect CV is the one which has got the shortest distance to the requirement. Now let us see this in action. Now here I have multiple CVs in a PDF format. Now these are actual CVs, but I have anonymized it for the demo purposes. Now CVs can be quite long with multiple pages, and now I'm going to enter a requirement such as we are seeking an AI engineer with expertise in go-to-market and marketing strategy and other requirements. And let me hit go. And voila, the CV of the AI entrepreneur has turned green, which means that this is the perfect CV for this job requirement. We can also see a summary of the CV, and we can see that the AI entrepreneur has got the experience in building AI platforms as well as product growth. So this in fact is the perfect CV for the job requirement. Now you can also visualize the CV in the embedding vector space. So shown here are all the CVs in orange dots, and the white dot corresponds to the requirement. And the perfect CV is the one which is closest to the requirement, which is shown as the blue dot. Now you can also get an extended summary of the CV also using generative AI. And in addition, you can also extract the keywords which help to understand the CV in a detailed way. One of the cool things about generative AI is that it allows you to chat with the CV. For example, I can ask the chatbot to give the top 5 interview questions, and in a while, I'll get my top 5 questions to ask. Now, this is pretty amazing. My friends, if you want to try out this demo, you can do so on my demo platform, experiencedatascience.com, and you will be able to see the value of using AI on CV in a very instant way. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video and you found it amazing and cool also. If yes, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. And see you soon in another exciting demo video.